Guys, today I am going to tell you about how to import XML database into MySQL Server. So here I am using VirtualBox, Ubuntu 16.04 in VirtualBox, and I installed MySQL Server in the VirtualBox, and I am connected with the SSH with my Mac host machine. So here I will Here is the final output for the importing of Stack Overflow database from XML dump file. So did you see here? Here we are having 53 lakhs, almost 54 lakhs of users. All IDs and reputation dates and something details are there. So these can be used for some data analytics or some data science related problems. So here I am going to tell you about how to import XML database from dump file into our MySQL server. So here I am connecting my Ubuntu 16.04 server with this terminal. So I already connected with that one. So if you want, I will again do it. So this is my IP address for this virtual machine. So I'm connecting, and here. So first I will connect to first I will check where is that dump file, and here it is. So in this users.xml file, I have database. Suppose you can check it like users xml. So this is my log entry. You can consider this one as one entry for database. So here they are representing id. This is one users details, id, reputation, creation date, display name. So further, so here I am connecting to mysql database. So this is for with I'm connecting to mysql database with root and some password. Okay, so here I need to import database. So so first I need to know what are the fields existing in the database. So now I'm creating new database to import the XML file into our database. So here I'm creating new database, create database, and some testing. So that was created, and I need to log into again because I need to check what are the fields existing in the exist existing in the XML database. So here I'm checking 16.255.129. Okay. So get data science. Oh, sorry. And here, so I need to verify what are the fields. So uh, I need to check. So I can use more for checking the. So like this I need to create, and new tab to new window so that I can create a new table. So here I am creating new table with this. Okay, first I need to create table, and I'm making as users. So here I need to mention everything. So first I'm giving id as integer, and reputation. So this field name should be matched with the XML database. So I am creating id, and id is integer, and the reputation with also it is also integer, and the creation date is also date. Creation date is date and time type. So I need to give date time data type. So creation. Oh, sorry, just okay. Creation date. Oh, yeah. So actually, it was already mm, it was already created in this one, so I will copy this one and I will paste it here so that it will be easy for me to handle. So before creating the table, first I need to select this database, so I'm selecting here. So it was changed and now I'm pasting that command here. So actually I'm creating table with users id is integer, like this, and reputation is in also integer, creation date is date type, and display name is varchar 255. I'm taking maximum 250 chars, and last access date is also date time type, and they are giving website urls like that. For every field we need to create matching field and the matching data type, so that it can be easily import. So next time what should I do? I need to import database from XML file to that table. So here is the command for this one. So load XML local in file. This is the standard format for importing XML file into database. Here the file is actually the present working directory. In that present working directory this user.xml existed, so I'm not giving absolute path, so I'm directly giving the file name into table users. So yeah, actually it contains almost, um, you can see. So that users.xml file contains lot of data, almost 1.69 1.6 GB, so it will take some time. And meanwhile we can discuss some things. Actually it was came from this quora question. I will look at that. So here is this one. What should I learn in data science in 100 hours? So Ramon Trusso, recognition in my profession, he gave one wonderful answer. So what he have given is, we can learn in data science. At least we can have journey. That means introduction in part 2 data science. So he gave 10 days working plan for that. And first he gave download stack in day 1, and day 2 download stack exchange data. Actually, in WebArchive I downloaded this data dump from WebArchive. So and you need to have RDBMS to handle this data. So first I would like this. So I installed MySQL server in the Ubuntu 16.04 server, and I installed, um, so here we can download the XML files here. So I downloaded files from here, and so users stack overflow, sorry, stack overflow. Okay, wait. Yeah, this one, actually I downloaded file from this one. Users, it will give one 7z file. In that file users.xml file is there, so I downloaded that one only. And I will check is it still. So it will take much more time to insert into the database. You can check already, already it was already imported into another database actually. Now I'm wait, actually it's still in progressing. What we are doing is, the new testing database will come here, and in that users table will be there. So this is the final output of our task, and we can run arbitrary queries in this. Otherwise we can do it here also. Suppose MySQL, I think it won't work because it is still in process. Okay, okay, it was inserted, so now we can check our method is working or not. So here we should get testing database, and in that database, the database users table should be there. So otherwise we can check it here also. Yeah, scheme, yeah, this one is testing database, and in this testing but database users is there. So here you can check every, database. It will take some time because it contains almost 55 lakhs of users information, and it is almost 1.6 GB in the XML file format. so it will take some time. Still, so I can check here also. Select star from users limit some 10 views, uploads, downloads, and everything is there. So this one is id, and this one is reputation, creation date. So here we got it. So this is my final output. So id, reputation, creation date, display name, and all are inserted accounting to. So here you can check the details. Wait, okay, and here I can check head, user start xml. Okay, I'm checking first entry. Here the id, I can sort it using id. So or otherwise I can run a query to get the results, it's imported correctly or not. Select star from users where id equal to -1. Okay, and get, oh, I want to execute, so here I will go. So I'm testing here, and come, it will take some time actually. I haven't given much RAM for this ubuntu server, so it will take some time. Okay, finally I got it, and here you can see row id is -1, reputation 1, creation date is also same, display name, and everything is as given in that file. So here you can, this is only for one database, you can download these database, and these are the tables exported in the XML format. You can import to the MySQL server, and you can follow this quora question to start journey with data sciences. Okay, thank you guys, like my videos.